Hi, I'm Ian Slater, the founder of Trove Partners here in New York, and welcome to the happiest apartment on the Upper East Side. Now, what specifically makes this apartment one of the happiest I've ever stepped in? The current owner gut renovated this penthouse with a keen eye towards light, color, and exceptional New York views. With 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a massive corner terrace, and separate living, dining, and kitchen, there's a lot to see, so follow me. You step off of your own private elevator and are immediately greeted by this sun-soaked dining room. And here you start to see all of the things that this apartment has to offer. Generous proportions, exquisite finishes, and fun design. And you also have access to the private terrace, and here are some of those amazing views I told you about. Conveniently located off of the dining room is this exquisite jewel box of a kitchen. Not one detail has been overlooked in this kitchen, from the slab marble countertop to the custom cabinetry to the top of the line chef's appliances. And you can wash your dishes in this sink with the best view on the Upper East Side. Now, after you've cooked your amazing meal and served it in your dining room, what better place to continue entertaining than your joyous penthouse living room? The corner living room further accentuates all of the best features of this home. Size, ceiling height, finishes, color, and light, light, light. These two-tone blue lacquer gallery walls are the perfect backdrop for any museum-quality art collection, which you can enjoy from 2 different seating areas. And with 3 points of access to your own private terrace, this apartment is truly the definition of indoor-outdoor living. Now, if you'll be my guest, follow me on to the chamber suite. Now, this Venetian plaster-clad gallery hallway leads us to the bedrooms and has an eastern-facing window because who doesn't need more light? This impeccably designed guest bedroom is what I will deem the blue room of the penthouse. Pay close attention to the level of detail in the design of this room, from the wallpaper to the matching fabrics to the amazing rug, all the way up to the Moroccan-style light fixture. All right, now enough talk about this private terrace. Let's go see it in person. Now, the exclamation point of this penthouse apartment is the wraparound terrace that goes all the way around the apartment. On days in New York when there's not snow on the ground and you can't see my breath in the air, this is the perfect space for entertaining, living, gardening, or just taking in the views of the New York skyline. Thank you so much for taking this tour of this gleeful Upper East Side penthouse. See you on the next one.
Well, that was so much fun, but the fun doesn't have to end here. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for the best open house has to offer.